US30 retraced till towards 35,340 levels and US100 till 15 to 20 levels. As we discussed in our Asia session update, 35,350 is a greater resistance for US30 and precisely it is reversed from the same levels. At the same time, US100 between 15,200 to 250. So now what to expect with the US session? Specifically before the US session, there is CPI data which is definitely going to bring volatility, and how to take advantage of that, which position you should take, what to expect, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Your every like, every comment is a great motivation for me. So if you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do comment as well, and do share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon, as this is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited by now. Let's start Tech 100 first. Now see Tech 100 on the early charts, it is in retracement channel. This is the retracement channel. Since last few candles it is giving lower highs, and we have already seen that 15,200 and 15,250 zone is a great resistance, beyond which we can definitely expect little more bullishness. So yes, a buying entry can be placed if you see it trading above. In fact, 15,240, you can place a buy entry and expect it to rise more, but not before 15,240. Now what is happening here? See, this was the base. After this rise, now this complete movement is engulfed between this one candle. Hence I will wait for 15,160 or 15,140 levels to be breached. Below that, further bearishness. However, till 15,100, do not treat NASDAQ 100 as bearish. Only and only if it stays below 15,100, we can say further bearishness will prevail. Now if you look at the momentum there, see drop, retracement, and now again trying to continue its journey. However, the top of this channel is right now at around 15,300, 250, levels. So yes, there is an opportunity for Tech 100 to rise further till towards 15,300 levels, and any point of time, if it stays above 350, that is the time where the bulls will take over. Till this zone is respected, we should not expect the bullishness. Stochastic dropping here, the MACD, see first wave, second wave, and now trying to converge. I will look forward to if it gives a third wave or tries to continue on the upside. RSI looking downwards here, trying to trade with slight bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, you can see precisely the prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has got the 20 period moving average and now trying to reverse. Still it is trading in this bullish channel. I will wait for 15,140 levels to be breached for further bearishness, and on the upside 15,240. So in between 15,140 and 240, do not take any position. Above 240 we can place a buy entry for 300 levels and then 350 levels. Only above 350 the bulls will be there. Stochastic has retraced and now trying to look down. At the same time, the MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness, while RSI is almost trading flat here. Coming to 3-hour charts, similar observation here. See, drop retracement. So it is trading in this bearish channel. We have to honor this channel. On the bottom of this channel, somewhere at around 15,040, 15,050 levels. And any point of time, if you see it trading anyways below 15,000, that is the time where the bears will be taking the chart. This moderate bearishness will turn into a sharp drop there. On the upside, beyond 15,240 is where the bulls will try to take over. The stochastic has retraced, MACD crossing over for a buy entry, but yes, it is trading with very little divergence here. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now one point to note that on the 4-hour chart, the prices are still divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 15,250 levels, which also appears to be a great resistance. You can see previously these 15,250, 260 zone was the support levels, and now it could be one of the resistances. Also, if you look at the movement here, simply the same formation what we saw on the time frames, but here right now it is lagging to the top of the channel, and hence there is a possibility that it could fly till towards the top of the channel. I will, in fact, now one can try to initiate a buy entry at around 15,220 levels, or but then expect 15,260, 300 as a great resistance. Only above 300 the bulls will take over. Stochastic rising, MACD converging for a buy, RSI flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, one point to note, see this is the zone 15,400, flat top here. With that flat top, we can see couple of red candles with lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now the highs of this channel at around 15,280, 300, and as we saw, this is achievable. This is also the top of the channel on the other time frames. This is going to be a great resistance here. At the same time, remember one point, yes, it could retrace till there. However, first red candle, second red candle, it could bring third red candle as well. Hence, you have to be careful and cautious here. A drop below 15,140 is where you can initiate a sell entry, below which you can definitely expect a further drop for 100,040 and then 15,000 levels and below. On the upside, I will wait for it to break past 350 and 400 zone in order to confirm the rise here. Chances are there for it to break on the downside, but let's see. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish here. And see, on the daily charts, it has seen extreme divergence. So, chance is there that it could converge, which suggests that a bullish candle can be expected. RSI is trading comfortable, and hence in between 140 240 do not trade. On the upside, be careful of 280 300 first resistance, 350 is next, and 400 the ultimate one. Above 400 is where the bulls will take over, and then you can treat this as a breakout, and beyond that again we can see higher highs here. So be careful there for this 15,400 on the upside. And at the same time on the downside, yes, you can take a sell and trade 15,140. However, 100,040 and 15,000, this is a great support, and ultimately it will fall into this zone, that is 14,800 15,000, the greatest support zone here for Tech 100. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. First of all, one observation is the consolidation which is going on. See, lower highs, higher lows. Now if you just connect the dots here, you'll observe that 35,100 is the level below which only further bearishness is going to be expected. A little far below level. Also now coming to the near term channel, you will find, see, it has created the basis here. Now you can sell here at 35,200 levels or 35,240 levels you can sell. However, 200, 150 and 100 are three major support levels. Till 100, great support exists for Tech 100. Dow Jones. Also see this, first one bullish candle, breakout candle, and then retracement candles. Hence, this is still in a retracement zone. If the next candle stays above 35,300, you can buy, but then wait for it to break past by 35,350 and 400 levels. Any move above 35,400 is where the bulls will take over for 500 and plus levels. Stochastic has retraced, MACD trying to converge, RSI is also trying to look downwards, trying to stay slightly bearish. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Let it come out either which ways and take a direction. Stochastic flat, MACD has crossed over for a buy, RSI is also flat here. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, move is simple, drop, retracement, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation phase here. 35,400 to 35,000, I will say this 400 points is still where you should not treat that US30 has taken a direction. Be careful within these levels. And to narrow it down, first 35,350 and then 35,100 levels. These 250 points at least you should be cautious of. Stock MACD crossing over for a buy, RSI almost trading with flat slope. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at this here. See, higher lows are seen, and the candles here, see, previous candle has a wick which suggests or supports that there could be a bullish move here, taking it for 35,400, 500 levels. Be careful here. Yes, the previous candle suggestive of that there could be a bullish move. Till the time it respects the lowers of it, that is 35,240 and 200 levels, I will expect it to recover. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for a buy, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts as well, see, higher lows, lower highs are seen. Beautiful consolidation. So far we had a flat bottom here. Hence, yes, it is also getting the support from the 20 period moving average. Hence, this is the zone at 35,200, 180, below which little more bearishness. However, be cautious till towards 35,100. I am again and again saying be cautious till towards 35,100, and on the upside till towards 35,400. This is the zone which you should be cautious of, and largely 35,000 to 35,500. Now 35,000 is a great support. We have seen higher lows, lower highs. Let it give a breakout either which ways. Stochastic has retraced, MACD divergent and bearish. Yes, it is still looking down, and RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 35,300 levels, 35,350 levels. Beyond that, 35,400 is the resistance. Then 35,500 is the next target. If it stays above 35,500, just stay long. Just stay long. It is going to hit near-term highs for 35,600, 800 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 35,240, but then be careful of 35,200 or 180 levels, and then 35,100 levels. 35,100 very very good support, and you have to trail your stop losses there on the downside as well, as we have seen the previous candles giving the swings. Hence, trade with caution. If it breaks on the downside, it is going to be a sharper break. Be careful with the trades. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join my mentorship batch. Do join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel, and stay tuned with the latest updates. See you tomorrow morning with the Asia session. Thank you very much.